I'm Dr. Jake Hiscox. I'm an optometrist. We do eye care. We do glasses. We do contacts. We check the health of people's eyes, probably the most important thing. The website is extremely important for a business like this, just about any business. If you're dealing with the public and someone needs to find you for services, you've got to have a good website. If you don't have a good website, you've got nothing. But because of Wyatt, and we have a beautiful website, and you can type in Optometry Tucson, we show up first page. I mean, it's huge. It used to be that we would have, maybe 4 or 5 new patients a week. Now we have 25, 30 new patients a week. So I mean, and you ask them, hey, how'd you hear about us? Almost every single one of them says, we found you on the internet. And they'd say, oh, we liked your website. You had good reviews, all stuff that Wyatt helped us do. So we're just a small family-owned business. It's just me and my wife. We're the 2 doctors here. With Wyatt doing our website, it allows us to compete with big opticals. I mean, there's some huge players in optical business. When you look at how we rank on search engines and stuff, I mean, we compete real well with companies that probably have multi-million dollar, multi-million-dollar, billion-dollar budgets even. We compete very well with them, which is amazing. So CS Design's customer service is fantastic. I mean, like, for example, we have, we want to update the website because we're closed for a holiday or something. We call them up and literally like 15 minutes later, the website is fixed to show a change in hours, for example, or any change you want to make. They can change it real quick for you. I can wholeheartedly recommend CS Designs to anyone. Like I said, if you have people find your business, then you need them. You need them to do a website for you.